The iml-resi power drill is perfect for both tree and power line professionals. It drills to depths ranging from 20 to 100 centimeters, providing valuable data on wood condition. You can attach different modules to it like the wood inspector, which measures post curvature. With a Bluetooth printer you can easily generate customer reports. However, quality comes at a price. The tool alone costs $6,054. Picture this scenario. A pipe is blocked, but pinpointing the exact location of the obstruction proves tricky. That's where the Weber detector steps in. Here's how it works. You insert a 30 meters cable with a beacon into the pipe, advance forward, encounter the blockage and then use the scanner to locate it with precision. Since situations vary, the kit includes 8 spare beacons. The Weber has enough range to detect blockages within 40 centimeters in plastic pipes, and 15 centimeters in metal ones. Not bad for $60. Classics stand the test of time, just like the Tajima chalk-rite marking tool. Encased in a durable aluminum case, it's easy to stow away, reminiscent of fishing gear. For added durability, the cord is housed in a braided sleeve. With a cord length of 30 meters and thickness options of 0.5 or 1 millimeters, it's reliable for various tasks. You can choose the sturdy version, where the tip and handle are made of metal instead of plastic, for $57. Let's talk about another game changer, the Trotec T600 microwave moisture meter. Now, engineers can easily gauge moisture levels in walls and identify potential causes if there's an excess. Effective up to a depth of 30 centimeters and insensitive to salts, it's ideal for older buildings. Plus it can help locate metal objects like wires and fittings when needed. All these features are enhanced by a user-friendly touchscreen display. With the Multi-Measure mobile app, you can evaluate and share measurement results with customers directly from your smartphone. Priced at $276, it's a worthwhile investment. Meet Duca, the ultimate multi-tool with not 3, not 10, not even 20, but 42 functions packed into one. It grinds, engraves, cuts and cleans, handling various materials like glass, metal, wood and acrylic. Weighing a mere 260 grams, it's lightweight yet versatile. It operates for up to 60 minutes on a single charge, and you can adjust the RPMs from 10,000 to 28,000. Plus it's budget-friendly at just $59, including a set of 40 attachments. The dust collector from Klein Tools isn't just your average gadget, it's designed for circular saws with blades up to 162 mm, and features a dual material bowl, providing both sturdiness and flexibility to withstand accidental impacts. In addition, it's foldable, making it easy to store in a bag or a suitcase, and is made of translucent material for easier tool leveling. This dust bowl weighs 209 grams and is priced at $20. Meet the Ibenstock END 1550P, a diamond core drill perfect for tackling tough materials like reinforced concrete and natural stone. Its robust 1.5 kilowatts motor is paired with a range of drill bits from 6 to 68 millimeters. If needed, you can attach a drill rig and switch water supply control on and off. Plus, the manufacturer added built-in safeguards against overheating and overcurrent. It weighs around 3.6 kilograms, and is priced at $936. The Hilti Neuron NRC 6-22 rebar cutter offers up to 122 cuts on a single charge, ensuring a flush, burr-free operation for diameters up to 25 mm. Equipped with special Cermet-tipped blades to minimize sparks, it also features a 3-position side handle for added comfort and safety. Plus, it's compatible with Neuron platform batteries, known for their extended lifespan compared to many 18 and 20-volt alternatives. Considering all these features, it's no surprise that it's priced at $730. Next up on our list of handy tools is the Milwaukee miter saw. The 273420 features a 254 mm blade, and can deliver up to 400 cuts on a full battery. It's equipped with the smart RedLink Plus system, ensuring protection against overload and overheating, while maximizing performance. With bevel angles up to 48 degrees to the right and left, and a vertical capacity of 146 mm from baseboard to stop, it is versatile. Plus, it includes an indication of the cutting line. This saw comes in at around $760. Meet the bull bar tool, perfect for demolition tasks. While it may appear simple, it's actually packed with technological solutions. The optimized head allows for efficient board removal and pallet disassembly, reducing slippage during use. Additionally, it features a built-in nail puller, and can rotate 180 degrees, providing the ideal working angle for optimal leverage. The bull bar is so successful that it's even recommended for lifeguards. Would you invest $97 in this versatile tool? According to Pocket Mill Pro sellers, this tool is an outstanding solution for carpentry tasks, and it's also very innovative. Let's delve into it. This tool works along with a drill to create precise grooves, thanks to a patented mechanism that lowers 1.2 mm with each pass automatically. This feature makes the Pocket Mill Pro suitable for both beginners and pros. The only catch is the price tag, $250. Learn the art of business from the Tevol team with their innovative lamp. They don't just sell it as a lamp, it's described as a beacon of lights designed for the dynamic and adventurous, who can resist such praise. Definitely worth considering, especially at $39. It's lightweight at 1.1 kilograms, offers adjustable brightness and color temperature, and boasts a 5,200 mAh battery for up to 15 hours of use. Want more? For $79 you can snack the lamp with a telescopic stand. King Combo 2.0 might sound like a new combo meal at McDonald's, but it's actually a ladder with a price tag of $465. Let's dig into whether it lives up to its royal title. Weighing around 11 kilograms, it can hold up to 150 kilograms. Its standout feature is its 3 modes: step ladder, extension, or leaning ladder. The model on the screen is suitable for heights up to 3 meters, but there are options for tasks at other heights too. Meet up Cart Hero, your reliable companion for hauling stuff. Whether it's laundry baskets, groceries, or even furniture, this cart can handle it all. Just remember not to exceed 64 kilograms in weight, no assembly required with this foldable wonder. Plus, the makers proudly offer a lifetime warranty, a first in this field. Would you pay $70 for it? Let's talk about the bevel and miter box from Wolfcraft. It's an essential tool for working with baseboards and moldings, ensuring perfect accuracy. First, it measures angles ranging from 85 to 180 degrees, then once the angle gauge is set, the baseboard is inserted and cutting can begin. Depending on the model, it can accommodate baseboards with maximum heights of either 70 or 100 millimeters, making it a versatile tool for craftsmen of all skill levels. Plus, with prices starting from $36, it's a reasonable investment. The Grizzly T32459 is a great asset for your knife workshop. This belt sharpening machine offers a blend of compactness and power. It weighs under 19 kilograms, and is easily powered from a standard 110-volt household outlet. Despite its size, it packs a punch with 3/4 of a horsepower, and can accelerate the belt up to 1,280 meters per minute. It's also notable for its flexible tape position adjustments, ranging from 0 to 90 degrees, and features a special graphite-coated roller to prevent unnecessary overheating and blade discoloration. You can get this sander for $299. Corgi is a leading provider of automotive workshop equipment. Not so long ago, they've introduced a tool to simplify mechanics' tasks of diagnosing and adjusting camber. Neglecting this task can lead to increased tire wear among other issues. Thanks to a synchronized locking mechanism, the pins stay centered on the wheel, while rollers integrated inside jaws ensure smooth installation. Have you struggled with removing wallpaper? Then it's time to bring in the professionals. They'll use a steam system, pouring 7.5 liters of water into it to safely remove the wallpaper without harming the walls, even the plastered ones. The water amount lasts for 90 minutes, ensuring thorough removal. The Rive Stop system provides a solution for insulating holes left after removing formwork, all thanks to this innovative rivet. It's elastic and expands by 50%, fitting perfectly into each hole. Installation is simple, with one craftsman able to install 420 rivets per hour, spending only a few seconds per hole. Plus, the rivets are waterproof and fire-resistant. A set of 50 pieces in size D27 is priced at $172. Wrapping up our video today, we have a bow saw chainsaw. specifically the Poulin 361 model, popularized back in the 60s. With a 59cc engine and guide bars suited for a 9.5mm chain pitch, these saws tackle demanding wood tasks, including non-standard cuts at precise angles. They're also handy for cutting logs on the ground. Interestingly, spare parts are still available, which is a testament to the maker's workmanship. Wouldn't you say?